Unlock the world from your fingertips while let's dive into the essential features of Google Maps on your computer. First, head to Google Maps in your web browser. The search bar is your starting point. Simply type in any address, business name, or landmark you're looking for. Once you find your destination, click on it. A detailed information panel pops up on the left, providing things like address, hours, reviews, and photos. The location is also marked clearly on the map. To get directions, click the Directions button within the information panel. Enter your starting point. Choose your mode of transportation: car, public transit, walking, or even ride-sharing. Google Maps will then generate the best route, displaying estimated travel time and step-by-step instructions. Want a closer look? Drag the little Pegman icon, located in the bottom right corner, onto any street highlighted in blue to enter Street View. Now you can explore the area as if you were there. Click the arrows on the road to move around, and look around by clicking and dragging your mouse. Google Maps allows you to save locations, create custom maps, and explore points of interest. Experiment with the different features, and you'll be navigating like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.